This video from CountLab, I'm going to demonstrate how to quickly resolve an error message on your CountLab 1 to 6 register. In this video I'm using model 2, but the process will be the same across any till in the CountLab 1 to 6 range. So what I'll do is I'll generate an error now, show you how to quickly resolve it, and then as the video goes on I'll go into more detail about why error messages might be happening. So you can see my till is in the reg mode correctly. I've got 0.00 on the display and I'm trying to process a sales transaction, but I keep getting an error message. 99% of error messages are resolved by simply pressing the clear button here. Press clear, the till stops screeching, the display goes back to 0.00, and then I'm able to process my sale as normal. So there we go, that was a quick resolution of the error. I'll just show you again. Error message, press clear. Error message, press clear. You'll notice that every time I press a different button I'm getting a different error message, but the resolution is the same every time to simply press the clear button. If I pop in a decimal point by mistake I get an error message. I just press clear to get rid of it. So the till automatically puts the decimal point in for you, so there's no need to press the decimal point. If you do, you'll likely get an error message, but if you do get the error, it's not a big problem. You simply press clear. So that's how to resolve most error messages. If you want more detail, I'll now explain what the error messages mean. Most of the time the errors are simply because the wrong button's been pressed. So obviously most of the time when you're using a till you're going to be in the REG sales position. The till's going to be expecting you to process a sale, which is normally typing in an amount of money, assigning it to a department, subtotaling, and then paying by one of the method of payment buttons. So if you press a button by mistake, or maybe when cleaning the till, that happens quite a lot, maybe you're getting rid of fingerprints or whatever and you're giving the till a dust and you get an error, everyone instinctively panics because obviously the till's making a big dramatic noise. There's no need to panic, just press clear. If you call a dealer for support or us for support, what we'll in all likelihood do is tell you, in addition to pressing clear button, we'll then tell you to turn the till to the lock or off position and then turn it back to reg. The reason why we do this is obviously if we're over the phone or the dealer, cash register dealer's on the phone, they can't see exactly what you're doing or what position the till's in, so it's kind of a bit of a belt and braces approach. So that procedure would be, once you've got the error, clear to resolve it, key to lock or off, display goes blank, and then key back to reg. It's just so the engineer can then talk you through that process, and then we're at 0.00, so the person on the end of the phone knows that you're now ready to put in a sales transaction. I've got another video showing you how to clear PE error messages. That'll probably be appearing at the end of this video, so you're welcome to check that out. I suppose another variation of the standard errors, you might think, well, I'm not in the reg mode, I'm actually trying to do a sales report in the Z position and I've got some type of error message come up. Again, the resolution is exactly the same. You simply press the clear button, and then if you were trying to do your end of day sales report, I guess you would then press cash to produce that report. The belt and braces approach to resolving the error would be to clear the error like this and then turn the key round to the lock or off position, and then back to REG so we know exactly where you are. But you can see most of the time I'm just resolving it by pressing the clear button. Okay, I hope that video has been helpful. As I say, we've got other videos showing you how to get the best out of the CountLab tills. Some of those videos will be appearing on screen now, so you're welcome to check those out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit countlab.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.